Hi there! Welcome to Mathematic Zone. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button now. Happy learning! Today, I'm going to teach you how to square two-digit numbers in 2 seconds. Squaring a number means multiplying the number by itself twice. Suppose we're given 8 squared. 2 is the exponent and 8 is the base. The exponent 2 tells us the number of times the base 8 is used as a factor. So 8 squared is equal to 8 times 8. Today, I'm going to show you how to square a two-digit number in just 2 seconds. Now, in the first example, we're given 32 squared. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Times 2 is 12. Write down 2. Carry 1. 3 squared is 9. Plus 1 is equal to 10. So 32 squared is equal to 1024. So I was able to get the correct answer very fast. Do you wonder how? Now in the next example, I'm going to show you the steps in order to find the answer as quickly as you can. 43 squared. The first step is to square the units digit. That is 3 squared is equal to 9. Write down 9. The second step would be to find the product of the tens and units digits, then multiply by 2. So the tens digit is 4 and the units digit is 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12 times 2 is equal to 24. Write 4 and carry 2. Then square the tens digit and add the carry. 4 squared is 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Write 18. Therefore, 43 squared is equal to 1849. Now let us have the third example. 54 squared. So square the units digit. 4 squared is equal to 16. Write down 6 and carry 1. Then multiply 5 and 4. This will give us 20. Times 2 is equal to 40. Plus 1 is equal to 41. Write 1 and carry 4. And finally, square the tens digit. 5 squared is equal to 25. Plus 4 is equal to 29. Write 29. So 54 squared is equal to 2916. Okay, let's discuss more examples. 62 squared. 2 squared will give us 4. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Times 2 is 24. Write down 4 and carry 2. 6 squared is 36. Plus 2 is equal to 38. 37 squared. So what's the first step? Square the units digit, which is 7. And 7 squared is equal to 49. Write down 9 and carry 4. Then multiply 3 and 7. This will give us 21. Times 2 is equal to 42. Plus 4 is equal to 46. Write 6 and carry 4. Then 3 squared is 9. Plus 4 is equal to 13. Now, can you try to solve the following problems? 26 squared. First is what? Square of 6, 36. Write down 6. Carry, yes, 3. Then multiply 2 and 6. This will give us 12. Times 2 is equal to 24. Plus 3 is equal to 27. So write 7, carry 2. Then 2 squared is 4. Plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, another one. 2 squared is 4. Write down 4. 7 times 2 is 14. Times 2 is 28. Write down 8. Carry 2. 7 squared is 49. Plus 2 is 51. And 87 squared. Okay, 7 squared is 49. Write 9. Carry 4. 8 times 7 is 56. Times 2 is 112. Plus 6 is 116. Carry 11. Then 8 squared is 64. Plus 11 is 75. That's all for today. Watch out for more videos, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.